Hey up guys, Ricky from TubeTech here. Are you thinking of shooting some shorts for your YouTube channel, but you're a bit lost in what to shoot, what is trending, how to find out what's trending in shorts? Well, if that's the case, I'm going to show you right now. Hit that subscribe button if you want to keep on receiving these cool little tips that'll help you grow your channel. Okay, so let's get into the tutorial. It's very simple, and what we're going to do is we're going to use something that utilizes the fact that shorts use hashtags. Now, if you saw my last video, you'll know that there's a new feature with YouTube hashtags, and that is hashtag landing pages. If you don't know anything about hashtag landing pages, hang around till the end screen and I will put a link to that video in there for you. So this digs into the fact that hashtags can now be grouped, and this is in essence how we can use those hashtag landing pages to find the shorts that are trending, the ones that are getting all the views, you know, the ones that you want to compete with and get ideas from. So I'm just going to go over to the browser and I'm going to type in shorts as my search here, because we have this new function that means we can search for hashtags in YouTube. So I've done a search for shorts, and it isn't this list of videos that I want here, because what I want to do is I want to curate a new landing page using the hashtag shorts. As you can see, Mr. Beast is here. You can see it has the hashtag shorts in the video title. I don't want to watch the video. I want to click on the video. I want to stop it, but then I'm looking for this hashtag shorts down here just above the title. So if I click on shorts now, voila, we get a full page of YouTube shorts. These are on the short shelf on the mobile. But you're on a desktop and you want to find these, then this is the easiest way. Now what we can do is we can look through and see which kind of content is getting the viewership in shorts. What you do is you scroll down and you find content that matches the niche that your channel is in, and then you can just do a replica of that. Watch this video here to find out more about hashtag pages. See you later.